Let's be real about the job market in 2026. Cloud and DevOps are definitely one of the most demanding skills right now. Companies are desperately looking for engineers who can manage Kubernetes cluster, who can deploy AI models, who can create end-to-end CI/CD pipeline infrastructure provisioning, who can secure your cloud environments and so on. But here's the little dirty secret nobody talks about, especially in roadmaps. Learning these skills come with a huge cloud cost. Yes, there are free tiers, but then you cannot actually learn cloud within free tiers. To actually learn cloud, you need to implement load balancers, instances in multiple availability zones and multiple regions. You need to deploy RDS servers, yeah, manage databases. You need to deploy content delivery network. You need to do data transfer, NAT gateways, and many other cost extensive resources. Then only you will be able to learn the cloud. Similarly, to learn Kubernetes, you need to deploy multi-node Kubernetes cluster, and that to manage Kubernetes service such as AKS, EKS, GKE, and so on, with cluster auto scaling, with node pool auto provisioning, with multiple node pools, and you need to test this, deploy this at scale. Again, that cannot be done within free tiers. To learn Terraform, you need to provision real resources, like all these resources plus many more resources. And these could take days. Like if you are practicing, if you are learning, provisioning these resources as one single environment could take hours and days and so on. And if you forget to destroy these resources, maybe you are thinking, okay, let me just manage the cloud cost by myself. And once I'm done with the project, I'll just destroy the resources. But if you forget to destroy these resources, that's it. You're gone. You'll be waking up with $500 cloud bill. And what happened next? Billing anxiety. The next time you will be scared to touch the cloud environment. You will be scared to touch and provision the resources within cloud. And watching YouTube videos, watching tutorials will feel like a safe bet for you because you are scared of the cost. You stop experimenting, but then you also stop learning. Let me be brutally honest, watching just the YouTube tutorials would not get you the job. You would not be learning with that way at all. You need to practice, you need the real hands on experience. You need to get your hands dirty. That's the only way. But what if you already have the billing anxiety? What if you have already gone through the phase of the bill shock? How would you overcome this and how would you practice? Well, there's the solution that I am going to present you in this video. So, KodeKloud, one of our esteemed sponsors of this video and many more videos, they are launching the free week from 10th February to 17th February. And yes, this is absolutely free, no credit card required whatsoever. And when I say free week, I didn't mean that just you'll get first few chapters for free and then rest you will be needing to upgrade. No, that's not the case. And you also don't need to enter your credit card as well. I mean, for these 7 days the paywall is completely gone. They are unlocking the entire standard plan for the entire week. No credit cards, no limits, just complete access so that you can go, you can break things, you can learn, and you can fix things the right way. All right, let me show you their landing page. What does it comes with? So I will share you the link in the description section, so don't worry about it. So this is their landing page, and as you can see, their free learning week is live from 10th February to 17th February. And in this free week, or with this standard subscription that you'll be getting with this free week, you'll be getting 174 courses in DevOps, Cloud, and AI. Not 174 videos, 174 in-depth courses, 1280 hands-on lab. Yes, these are the lab environment where you will be getting access to your personalized sandbox. You can break things, fix things, and you can do all the troubleshooting all by yourself. And if you are stuck somewhere, and if you think there is no going back from here, you can just restart the lab environment and start it from the beginning. So that's the beauty about it. You'll also get 5000 plus hours of content, all the courses, everything included in it, from DevOps to AI to cloud, everything will be there. And you will also be getting the access to their private Discord community with 15,000 plus members who will be there to support you whenever you need it. Okay. And here's the schedule. So I have already logged in over here. So let me show you in depth. Once you signed up using the link I provide you in the description, you'll be getting something like this, right? So it has the details of all 7 days, plus there is one extra day for doing the testing and everything you have learned so far. So first is day one is you choose your track and courses. You just go over there, explore different courses, but don't spend too much of time on exploring the courses because it's a limited time offer. So make sure you spend first few minutes, maybe an hour, to explore different courses, and then you start right away from wherever you are. Like, let's say if you are absolute beginner, so start with the beginner level courses like a DevOps course that starts with DevOps fundamentals, Linux, Git in GitHub, and so on, right? If you are already there and you want to learn Kubernetes, so start maybe something with a CKA course, or Kubernetes, any Kubernetes certification specific course, or Kubernetes 101, and so on. Okay, the second is practice with hands-on lab. Over here, you will be building, configuring, and troubleshooting in real-time environment. And yes, it will be your environment. So you are not sharing this environment with someone else. You can completely own this environment end to end. Then your progress will also be synced in real time with the mobile app. So you can download the mobile app, sign in using the same email ID, and your learning streak will be over there. There'll be personalized dashboard for you. You can check it. Then you can build job ready skills with KodeKloud engineer path. Okay, so if you just open this in a new link, basically this is you can watch the video and you will understand what I mean by that. And if you skip the video, also there are multiple videos about it. You can check what's there inside all those things. Currently it's asking me to add the details, but there is a personalized plan that they have provided so that you don't have to worry about which roadmap to follow. So they have already provided you different roadmaps. And if you go over here to the learn section, you will see different learning path, different courses. So you can choose whichever you want. Whatever is included in the standard plan will be there for you. Then in day 5, you can also go ahead with this code key. What's that? So you'll get access to the free API key to test, run, and experiment with AI models using a single API key in one playground, which is absolutely amazing. Again, you don't have to worry about spending a lot of cost on the API key consumption. Okay, one key, and you can use all the available AI models using that. Then day 6, you can explore 100 days of DevOps challenge. Again, it's a structured day by day DevOps journey built around real world tasks. So you can start your journey from there as well. Then similarly to 100 days of DevOps challenge, there is 100 days of cloud challenge, which you can conquer in day 7. I mean, you cannot complete all these things in just a single day. It just, you will get the idea of what you want to choose, what you want to go ahead. And if you want to continue your subscription after the 7th day, you can do that if you find value in any of those courses. It's up to you. There is no commitment to this because they'll not be asking the credit card details as well for this actually. Now over here, you can test your skills by doing the lab in the real time lab environments. You can practice everything on your own. If you wanted my suggestion, what is my personal recommendation, I would say go over here in the learn, and you will see different roadmaps, different paths. So start with DevOps course. Okay, there are multiple courses wherever you are in the skill. So pick any of those course and start with that. Or you can go ahead with any of the Kubernetes course, again depending on where you are. When I say where you are, I mean what's your current skill set. Okay, or if you want to go ahead with AWS, then I would suggest going with AWS certified solution architect path. So these are my top 3 recommendation. Choose anything that you want, and again you can choose any available course. So it's all up to you. But one thing I would remind you, whatever you choose, this is a time bound event from 10th February to 17th February. So don't be too late. And today is already 11th, so one day has already gone. And I would suggest you start right away. It's free, there is no commitment, so you can just sign out or delete your account if you didn't like it. But give it a try, and do not wait till the last date, and do not ping me after these 7 days and ask me if the plan is still valid. It won't be. Okay. So let me end this video and let me try to conclude this video by saying that most people don't get hired as a DevOps role, not because there are not many jobs in the market or not because there is too much competition. It's because people don't get their hands dirty with the real time experience, with the hands on. They keep on watching YouTube tutorials, they keep on learning everything, they keep on mugging up the concepts, and they never do real hands on. So that's where you need to start working on if you want to get success as a DevOps engineer. Now, link in the description and in the pinned comment. Go ahead, sign up, start right away. Do not wait till the last date and get your hands dirty. Practice whatever you can within these 7 days, grind whatever you can, and take the maximum benefit out of it. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good learning experience. Happy learning.